Hey friends, just wanted to take a minute and show you what you will see when you look at the class STARS presentation. Everybody's going to be working on this file together, and so you want to make sure that you are only completing the slide that you have been assigned. And as you can see, Benjamin has completed his slide. He has hyperlinked his name to slide 2, which is his slide. He's put in a picture of himself, his title, and his essay. And when you hit the home button, he'll go right back to the title page. And so I want to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to be Michaela here, and this is Michaela's slide. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a picture. I'm going to upload it from my computer. I have one here on my desktop of her. And I'm going to go down, I'm going to find her picture, and I'm going to insert it in. It's a little big, so what I want to do is I'm going to resize it. I always want to resize it from the diagonal, because if you don't, you end up with pictures that are stretched out and look funny. If you ever do make a mistake, you just hit Control Z and you'll go right back. I'm actually going to put her right in the star. And what I'd like to do now is I'd like to add an outline around her. So I'm going to go up here to my picture tools. I'm going to hit a border. I want a weight of about 3. And I think what I want to do with that is I want to make sure that it's nice and dark. So I'm going to color it black. There we go. Still a little bit big, so I'm going to make it smaller, just so I have a little, and then center it. There we go. Next I want to do is I want to put her name here right now. And it's a little obviously small. So I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it really big and just see what happens. Actually, that's not bad. Let's see. And what I want to do now is I want to change my font. I think I'm going to go something kind of funny. Oh, that's cool. And then I'm going to change, I'm going to go here to my text color. And I want to come down. I've been playing with it. Oh, I like that. So there's her name. I want to get it a little bit. I'm going to make this text box smaller. And then I'm going to move it just so that it looks a little more centered. There we go. Now, Michaela has written her essay as a rough draft here. And so what I'm going to do is rather than have her retype it, I'm actually going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to take this away, highlight this, and I'm just going to paste it. And of course we can't see it, so what we need to do is highlight it. And I'm going to, actually, you know what I'm going to do? Since I can't really see it, I'm going to move it over here. There, that way when I highlight it, there we go. And I think I'm going to change it to this font. And I want to go here and I want to center it. And then I'm going to change it to that same color. There we go. Now I'm ready to move it back here. There we go. So now from each of the slides, I can hit home and it will take me here. I'm going to go down to my title and I'm going to erase this and I'm going to put Michaela's name just as though I were her. I'm going to center it, make it look nice and pretty, and I'm going to highlight it. Because what I want to do now is I want to add a hyperlink. I'm going to go up here to my link. It's going to say what link do I want to go to? And I want to go to slides in this presentation. I'll do it one more time. Slides in this presentation. Well, obviously we're going to have to move her up so that, and anytime you can't see, you can always move what you're working on up and then move it back to what you want to go to. Slides in this presentation. I notice here her slide is number 3, so I'm going to hit number 3 and I'm going to apply it. And now I can move her back to her star and she is hyperlinked. Fun way to check it is I'm going to hit the present And this is what it's going to look like when we present it. And I'm going to hit Michaela's. There she is. And that's all there is to it. And if I want to go back home, and then if I want to see Benjamin's, and then if I want to go back home. And there it is. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.